Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and look at this beautiful new arrival at Car City Inc. It's a beautiful 2012 Dodge Challenger. This is RT model, which is a nice sport vehicle. This one is a 6-speed manual with only 68,000 miles. Very fun vehicle, very nice ride. Look at this beautiful body, beautiful paint, nice rims. Definitely a fun car to drive. It's got a sharp, nice look. Again, low miles, clean Carfax. Nice rims all around. Brand new front brakes, newer tires. Again, 6-speed manual, 5.7 V8 engine, power windows and locks. Interior looks great too. Nice headliner, clean, with a sunroof, 2 keys. Passenger seat looks great. This is the rear seats. Again, 6-speed manual with navigation, with the heated seats, climate control, Bluetooth, no warning lights, fresh oil. Again, new brakes. Wow. So if you guys looking for nice looking fun vehicle, this is gonna be your little toy which you can drive and enjoy. Stop by at Car City Inc. in Palatine. We do have a nice selection of cars, 150 cars in stock, easy finance at our website, extended warranties for the reasonable price. Stop by at Car City Inc. and we're gonna make sure that you're gonna be a happy customer. Let me actually show you the engine. This is the biggest part probably of this vehicle. And like I said, all these cars been checked out. Make sure they don't have any problems. There we go. Nice and clean, no rust. Beautiful sport car, guys. Thank you one more time and have a great day.